and gentlemen, this is Captain Tobias Wilcock welcoming you aboard Coconut Airways Flight 3722 to Bridgetown, Barbados. We will be flying at an height of 32,000 feet and at an airspeed of approximately 600 miles per hour. Refreshments will be served after takeoff. Kindly fasten your safety belts and refrain from smoking until the aircraft is airborne.
Whoa!
Hi guys, welcome to another Gig Log. This is the Barbados Gig Log. I'm just explaining something before I finish the rest of the Gig Log. I originally was going to do a travel blog and Gig Log, but when I started editing, I realized that would be way too long. So I just put in part of the travel Gig Log. And then I'm going to go straight into the Gig Log itself. I didn't get any time lapse of setting up for the concert. So I just want to give footage of when I was mixing the show at the concert. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't really get footage from the concert because it was in a rush and there's a lot of problems going on. So yeah, I was trying to figure out those problems. So you might be seeing lots of jumping from different clips. So yeah, I might just make a separate Gig Log just for travel Gig Log and just leave this one for the Gig Log. So let's continue with the Gig Log. Right, so we're here down in Barbados. So we're down at some Flying Fish Festival Saturday night. We're lining now before the big show tomorrow. I'll show you all clips of what we're on here now. And we're here until 12, and as soon as 12 we're going back home, get some sleep for tomorrow, and then I have to go be down at the venue for around 10. We start setting up, and concert is at 7. So I got a long day tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys, well, in the next clip when I give you all, show you all what's going on behind me now. So I'll see you all. Yeah. I didn't get to do time lapse, sorry about that. But this is what I'm working with today. Yep, X32. Yeah, it's a great board. I'm sure I want to have some fun. Let me show you all the stage. That's the stage there, right? And we have video there, right? So this is that's just the orchestra sound checking right now. After this will be the orchestra and choir, and then that should be it. And it's now 4:32, right? And the show starts at, wow, I forgot, 5? It can't be 5. 7. It starts at 7, I think. Yeah. But I'm like relaxing right now. I actually didn't have to set up anything because the engineers here set up everything, so that's like real good. So I was just chilling for most of the day, and he actually set up the board and thing for me, like the old EQ and thing. So I just mix the show. Like, that's a life, yo. That's like real good. Alright, so I'll catch you back when finish sound checking and ready to start. Let me give a little tour of the booth and how everything is set up and what we're running to make this show happen. So I showed you all in the last clip already. We have the X32 here, and then on this Mac we're running multi-track on Logic Pro. So you should be hearing the multi-track in Giglad, and we have a Behringer and Crown amps running the house and monitors. And I didn't even know people have these things still. They're a cassette player, VCR player. Wow, I forget the name. I mean, wow. I didn't even know people have that still. Lighting wise, lighting guy ran. Just ran. Park-ons, he had 6 park-ons in front with gels on them, giving a backlight, and he had one right there, another one on the other side, right there. It wasn't much with lighting.
Just now.
What's that at that? Don't you know?
Don't know.
The board itself freaking out.
Yeah, sure. See, it can
Watch
truly,
the strength.
see, it can truly max the bus just now. But on many channels, you see nothing flying.
After you have listened to such illustrious pieces,
So-
you want to give us some more. I have been told that so far just about $4,000 has been raised by this illustrious audience.
No,
It sounds like an effect with the back of it.
Traveling ushers will be coming around to help you submit your monetary contribution. And we from the University of the Southern Caribbean, we thank you in advance.
Nope.
We are not over yet. Stand by
impossible.
after the offering.
Like, just look for the
and
medium,
the grand
for the
finale
links,
of
and see if
our
you click on any other channels.
It can't look back from here.
no, he has to look back.
Just looking for
No,
like the
right, look back to see if it came through any of the channels.
The only spike is kind of here.
Yeah.
Was channel 15.
15?
I see overhead, but I was muted.
Is it?
15 as well?
15 is overhead. But I was mute.
That's a dynamic mic. As he said, it's muted, so.
Is that for you get the other console?
I don't want to say it's one thing or the other.
I don't feel it's a console. I never experienced that. Not in any. I never even hear about anybody.
Okay, let me just tell you what happened in the last clip right there. Two things happened in the last clip. We were trying to ring out the system during the performances, and second thing was that loud outburst. We do not know what caused that. We are like so clueless. It happened 3 times for the show. It happened at the beginning, in the middle, in that song that you heard, and at the end. And the thing about the last one was that nothing was connected to the mixer. That's when we finished packing down all the mics and everything, and it happened again. So after that last one happened, we knew for sure it wasn't any of the mics or anything. So I was thinking it could be a power problem, but we still wasn't sure. Well, I wasn't sure. I don't know if the guys there figured it out after I left, but I left there trying to figure out what was the problem. So that's what they also saw in that clip, and you also saw us looking through the multi-track to try to see if any of the channels spiked. But we did see one channel that spiked, and that was the overhead for the drums. But that was muted for majority of the song. Right, so it wasn't that unmuted, it was muted when that loud outburst happened. Right, so the next set of clips that you're going to see is from the camp meeting. Right, we also performed at the camp meeting, and this time I didn't do the front of house mix, I did the broadcast mix. And the broadcast mix is for everything, any audio that leaves the hall was coming from me. So Simon, the other song engineer, he mixed for the people in the hall, and any audio that was leaving that hall was coming from me. So that's why I mixed for the stream, and I mixed for all the, it had some more tents with more people, overflow tents, you can see. I was mixing for them, and for the video that you're going to hear a few clips down after I give the tour of the system. Right, so I'll see you guys when I give you the tour.